Hi everyone, Hannah here. So in this video, I'm going to show you June's Shabby Chic Treasures box. We're doing a little bit different take on it. I wanted to make it more of an interactive type box. It will have goodies in it, handmade goodies, and it's also going to come in a wooden box that you can alter or you can leave as is. So let's go ahead and open it up here. So here's the bag. Take it out of the bag, and then you've got it wrapped up here. So we'll undo this. Then you've also got a little bow. You can leave as is or you can unwrap it. It's just a pearl strand that's just been wrapped. And then underneath we've got some of this lace trim. We've got some tulle, and we've also got some silk, this silk material as well. And like I said, you can leave it as is or you can undo it, and you might want to use it in the project of altering your wooden box or whatever project you have in mind. So this has a piece of paper in case you wanted to glue it on there. This is some really pretty paper from the Tales of You and Me Prima collection. We also have this side if you wanted to use this side. But anyway, just a piece of paper here, and then you'll open it up. And this is a piece of cardstock that could be, you know, glued in here. And then we open it up, and we've got, we're including some items that have been included in the Shabby Chic box in the last couple of months. We didn't want to change it up too much, but regardless, it is a pretty drastic difference. But there still are some of the same items. You know, we've been doing stick pins on a little piece of cloth, and then we've got some beads that you can use with your stick pins. Got some big pearl beads, big glass, crystal, stone beads, and then some smaller pearls, smaller metal pieces, bead caps. So those are some beads that you can use for your stick pins, and you can use that for your project. You can put together a couple of stick pins and put them on the top of your box, or you know, just have some little items left in here, and this can be your handmade projects. And then inside here we've got some buttons, some resin pieces, and we've got these cute little fabric handmade bows. Absolutely love these with a little rhinestone glued on them. Also got a couple of little fabric flowers. We have a mini file folder, and inside is a coffee dyed heart doily with some handmade ephemera pieces, as well as some random vellum pieces. And see, you could, you know, open it up like that and use it for however, or just leave it as a pocket. Okay. And then in our other file folder, it's already set up for you to use as like a little book if you wanted to just staple it or sew it down the middle. So we open it up, you've got a vintage book page, a tea-dyed page, a rice paper book page, tea-dyed page, rice paper, and then the same on the other side. So it's already set up for if you want like a little mini book. You could take the pages out and, you know, make some ephemera pieces with them. You know, the possibilities are endless. We've got these adorable little tabs. These were so fun to make. I absolutely loved making these. We've got a wooden clothespin with some lace on here. We had some of these left from, I guess it was a couple months ago when we did that box. And so I thought, you know, these are just precious, and it would be, you know, something really nice to put on the top of the box. Or we've got a frame, so that could go on the top of the box as well. I just wanted to give some options. You might not use any of this. You might leave the box as is, or you might only use some of the items. And then you'll get a box of some sequins. These can be used as, you know, shaker projects, or just to kind of glue in different spots on your box or other projects. We've got some little tags here. And it's got a bulb pin and a charm. And then it has a foot of this beautiful, beautiful trim. And then we have a tag, and it's been hand stamped on the back and distressed the edges. We also have this one here. And it has a foot of this beautiful eyelet trim, or eyelash trim, and beautiful tag stamped and distressed on the back. And so I'm really excited about this kit. I would love for your feedback as well. You know, just kind of see what, you know, how well you like it, what you're thinking about it. Some of the questions that we had received with the other box, there were a lot of fabric items that that people just didn't really know what to do with. And we want you to be able to enjoy our boxes and not to be confused by them, because then it just stacks up and it just becomes a pile of I don't know what to do with it. So this way, by making some handmade items, these can be used in your journals, you know, or whatever other projects, Happy Mail, you know, lots of ideas. And so I'm super excited about this box. It will be available on our website Friday, which is June 9th at 10 a.m. With all of our unboxing videos. I've been telling y'all that, you know, they'll be available at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So whatever time zone that you're in, you just want to, you know, adjust accordingly so that you won't miss it, because we will be having giveaways. Of course, our products will be on sale. There will also be some new items that are not subscription related, like our wax starter kit and other items. And so I'll, you know, I'll try to do an unboxing for the wax starter kit as well, so you can get a better look at that. And, you know, we'll show that to you. That might be one of the next videos that, you know, that pop up here. So really excited. So just, you know, save that date. It's coming up here pretty soon. You know, June 9th at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And just really excited. DanaGirlsDesigns.com. And I'll also have that link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching.